So on the Stripe dashboard, you want to click on the settings button at the top right of the screen. Then on the product settings, click on this payments option at the bottom. And then on the payment settings, tap on the payment methods option just below it. And then this page will appear and you may search for Alipay options. You may scroll down if you need. And then at the Alipay, hover your mouse over it, like on top of it, and click on the enable button beside it. Then you are good to go. Alipay is enabled as your payment method. This is the draft of the payment link that I just created. And as you can see, Alipay is already a part of the payment method. Just keep in mind, sometimes it takes time for Stripe to include the new payment method, even few hours in my case when I tried to add another payment method to my Stripe account. While also, there is a region lock for some payment methods. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.